Aloha, I'm Chris Berman, and coming up on ESPN, we'll take a trip across the Hudson to East Rutherford, New Jersey, and come ashore at Giant Stadium. Dan, Peter, and Susie are standing by for the call, what shapes up to be a most interesting matchup. Green Bay, New York. This ought to be good.
And there she is, the ESPN blimp flying high overhead. Hi, and welcome to Giant Stadium. I'm Dan Stevens. My good buddy Peter O'Keefe is with us, and Peter, the story of this one has to be the battle at the receiver position.
Well, Dan, when you have two great receivers on the field, you know it's going to be exciting. Number 19, he's a very gifted receiver. He's good leaping.
Choose heads. It's tails.
Number 2, kicking off for the Packers.
There's the signal, and we're ready.
Time for Giants football.
Number 2 kicks it off to begin the game. This will fly out of the end zone for a touchback. What a kick. The Giants send their offense out on the field and will start this drive at their own 20-yard line. They couldn't connect on this one. Incomplete. It looks like, we've had an injury down on the field. As soon as we hear anything, we'll be sure to pass the information along to you.
Wait, what day is it? What day is it? How many fingers am I holding up? Come on, okay. Let's take him off. Let's get him out of here. Come on. Hold.
Where you going? Oh, man.